Installing your personal caddy is a simple and straightforward process. Begin by opening the panel nearest the cad. Now take a pencil or any other writing utensil and draw a line at the top of the T-nut. This will ensure that when you replace your striker bolts, you will not need to make any additional adjustments. Once you've marked the position, remove the striker bolt. With the help of an additional person, lift your caddy over the cover and drop it into place between the striker clamps. Once your personal caddy is in place, take the bulb seal attached to the caddy and tuck it under the third panel. With your personal caddy in place and the bulb seal tucked under the third panel, it's time to replace the striker bolts. Slide in your striker bolt and align the T-nut to the line you've previously drawn. Secure it, and once you've done the other side, your personal caddy is ready to use. One of the unique features of our personal caddy is its suspended installation. This allows for about 6 inches of space below your caddy, so you can haul lumber, plywood, drywall, or any other longer items. One of the main benefits of our personal caddy are its security features. By resting concealed below the tonneau cover, it is out of sight from would-be thieves. Another unique benefit of our personal caddy is its ability to independently lock from the rest of the truck bed. That means if you're at home, work, or on a job site, you can still allow access to the rest of your truck bed while leaving your personal caddy and its contents locked and secure. Another great benefit of our personal caddy is the optional aluminum sliding tray. This tray allows for additional space to organize your smaller items up top and also slides open so you can store larger items you don't want in your main compartment.